Hey guys, this is a quick look unboxing review at the new Fitbit Sense. Awesome technology in this. You're going to want to stick around and take a look. Check it out. So like the other Fitbits, it ships with the small strap, and this is a large, so I will have to swap that out. I'm a 6'2" man, and I do have fairly thick wrists from playing way too many video games. And this button here, if you're used to the Versa 2 and Versa 1, it's an actual button, right? So they give you the illusion of a button here, but it's like a pressure sensitive button. So you just press down and there's really no button other than inside the chassis you push down. So the back looks pretty beautiful. You got that CE symbol for international compatibility. Ships with 57% battery. That's good. So, I mean, relatively new products that haven't been sitting on the shelf for long. And you have this new charger, which is kind of cool. It can only go on one way, I guess. I'm gonna go on this way. Nope. 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 Yeah, so it only goes on one way. So how the magnetic polarity is set up, when you try to put it on this way, it just doesn't work. It pushes it off like how opposing magnets push. So this is awesome. One issue with Fitbit in general is every time you get a new Fitbit, it's a completely different charger, and all your old chargers don't work. I haven't had one Fitbit that had the same charger over the years, and I've had about 6 different Fitbits going back from the Flex, the Force, the Versa, the Versa 2, and others. And the cord on this guy is super short. Like, we're talking about, I don't know what this is, like 2 feet. So hopefully you have your outlet like right there. You know, like I was talking about backwards compatibility with chargers. The Fitbit also this round has chosen not to opt with the Versa 2 and Versa 1 bands. So there are different bands now. You see that they don't have the pin that you pull out, which I'm sure it's an improvement, but I'm not sure if Fitbit is trying to get us to continually buy new. That is honestly a joy to switch out, because the Versa 1 and Versa 2 is quite a pill to pull back that little pin. But, you know, at the end of the day, it would be nice to have like at least 3 generations of, can you imagine if Apple didn't put in a different version of Lightning every single phone, where you'd have to buy new cables for iPhone 6, 7, 8. This is exactly what Fitbit does. But honestly, this is correct. This is the right way to do it. You can just swap them right out, and it's awesome. The large band is also much larger than the Versa and the Versa 2. If you notice here, there's 4 from the end of it, and on the large Versa band, it was probably around this mark. So definitely a bigger band. So here you have the Versa 2 next to the new Fitbit Sense. And the button on the side here is an actual button on the Versa 2, and on the Sense it's just a pressure button. You can see that the Versa 2 screen looks a little bit bigger than the Sense, but I just believe because internally it goes more edge to edge, so it is a bigger screen or the same size.
includes 3 new sensors, EDA, ECG, and temperature sensor, and has an additional feature, not a sensor, to manage blood oxygen while you're working out.
One of the new features in Fitbit Sense is the EDA. And right here, you can do EDA scan, go to quick scan, and it walks you through a tutorial. Then essentially you just keep your hand over and you go 2 minutes. So I did the electrodermal activity, or the EDA, before I had a client meeting that was pretty stressful. So I selected, stressed, and then after it went extremely well, so I did the same 2-minute EDA scan, and I selected calm because it went well, and these are the results. So go through it. Here are the different responses, and you can see that when we started, heart rate went down, reflection calm, helpful tips, done. So as someone that practices a lot of mindfulness meditation myself, this is a fantastic watch for that. Essentially with EDA, you cover like that, and you go 2 minutes, and you just close your eyes and do either Vipassana or counting breaths, or just being mindful of your inhale and exhale. And after the 2 minutes, it'll buzz and it'll give you a little report. So this is a great activity watch for avid mindfulness practitioners. So unfortunately, the ECG app or sensor isn't enabled in Canada, so I've included some information about that to help. So all in all, completely impressed. In my humble opinion, Fitbit is still the king of the fitness trackers against Apple and Galaxy and the other people out there. It more accurately tracks steps and everything else in between. Highly recommended. Pick it up. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.